I'm going to show you a simple program that I developed to test OpenCV function. We have a Linux and Mac OS and Windows version of the program. You can run it and just wait a few seconds to load. Then by this program, you can check function of OpenCV in real time on your input images. You can see in real time OpenCV function testing with visual feedback. Sometimes you want to see what's happening when you apply different OpenCV function on your input image. Maybe you want to blur the image and change the kernel size or resize with different aspect ratio or change the color of the input images. You can run and use this simple program to check all the functionality in real time. I load the images and when you load the images, you can just type the OpenCV function and press apply OpenCV function. Then you can see in real time different output. For example, I want to blur the image with kernel 1.5 and you can see what's happened. You can change this one to another one and just very fast. Then, for example, you want to check another functionality. The original output of the images doesn't affect the source images. So basically, we have original images, and just by typing your function, is everything applied based the original one. You can change all the parameters and see in real time what's happened. Thanks for watching.